to my studio. My name is Mary Thiefels and I'm an artist. I heard that you are going to be making mandalas. So I went ahead and started to color my own to see what it was like to create such a beautiful design. I typically make really big paintings called murals on the sides of buildings, but I have an opportunity to work with all of you students to create an awesome collection of your drawings. Your drawings will get made into a video slideshow that can be shared out with all your friends and family. Not only that, but your designs will inspire me to design a large mural that we will paint in downtown Ann Arbor. I'm so excited to see that you are going to be studying mandalas, and I cannot wait to see your finished sketches. So nice to meet you. Stay tuned, I'll see you soon.